Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your study abroad experience with ISA beginner guide step by step clearly. Step 1 is to research available programs. Visit the ISA website to explore a range of destinations. Filter programs based on your academic interests and goals. Step 2 involves reviewing scholarship opportunities. Look for financial aid options that can ease the burden of studying abroad. Step 3 is to connect with past ISA participants. Reach out through social media or forums to gather insights. Step 4 is to attend information sessions. ISA often hosts webinars or events that detail their offerings. Step 5 is to schedule a consultation with an ISA advisor. Discuss your academic and personal goals with a knowledgeable advisor. Step 6 is to prepare your application materials. Gather transcripts, letters of recommendation, and a personal statement. Step 7 is to plan for your housing arrangements. ISA provides various accommodation options, so review them carefully. Step 8 is to immerse yourself in the local culture. Participate in ISA organized excursions and events to enhance your experience. Step 9 is to stay engaged with your host university. Attend classes and join extracurricular activities to make meaningful connections. Step 10 is to reflect on your experience regularly. Keep a journal to document your thoughts, challenges, and successes. Step 11 is to leverage your experience after returning home. Update your resume and LinkedIn profile to showcase your international experience. Step 12 is to stay connected with the friendships you've made abroad. Use social media and messaging apps to maintain these valuable relationships. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance your study abroad experience with ISA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.